I'm gonna show you how to make the world's easiest sauce. It's called a compound butter. Basically what it is it's butter mixed with herbs and spices, or other greens, whatever you want to use. You can actually make a compound butter using anything that you want. You can use basil, arugula, pesto, chard, kale. You could use spices like smoked paprika, cardamom. The whole point of what you're doing is you're taking butter, you're mixing flavorants into it, and then what you do is you chill the butter so that it's a more solid block, and then you slice it and you put it on hot food. What happens is when you put the butter on the hot food, it melts. It not only melts the butter, it also melts like the aromatics inside of your herbs and spices. And the butter, because it has fat in it, carries it all over your food, and it's delicious. It comes together in like less than 5 minutes, and it stays in your freezer for up to 6 months because it's wrapped in plastic, or you can keep it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. Problem is that, butter lasts for a long time, but what you're adding are herbs and spices, and there's moisture in them, moisture in the herbs. So once you've added herbs and spices to your butter, you don't want to keep it in the fridge for longer than 2 weeks because it might spoil, but it keeps in the freezer for a long time.